Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Nindajul Qawim, student ID number 121. I'm from class Marketing Management Age. Okay, here I will present my final semester exam material, which is about to Gus lecture, the themes with alumni that I took last week. Okay, next is the material. Number 1 is 2 quiz lecture that's followed. Number 2 is motivation or strategies from quiz lecture. Number 3 is commodity be exported. Number 4 is the superiority and competitiveness of the selected commodity. Okay, point 1 is quiz lecture, and then number 1 quiz lecture, the themes is tips for becoming a millennial farmer in a pandemic, and then presenter is Mr. Saprae is AGR. Okay, number 2 is quiz lecture, the themes is challenge in business startup for newbie, and presenter is Mrs. Ratna Larissa Putri SP. Okay, next is point 2, and then motivation or strategy from quiz lecture. Okay, number 1 quiz lecture based on a quiz study with the themes tips for success becoming a millennial farmer in a pandemic era by Mr. Saprae. Indonesia is a country that has abundant natural resources, where Indonesia is also referred to as an agrarian country with sunshine that never breaks. All natural resources are available in Indonesia. It's just a matter of how we as millennials manage this natural resource well. Agriculture is a business that never ends because agriculture is a sector that is able to survive in all conditions. In the era of the pandemic, business in the agricultural sector can still survive compared to business in other sector. Okay, number 2 quiz lecture. Based on a quiz study with the theme of challenge in business startup for newbie by Mrs. Ratna Larissa Putri SP. In starting a business, of course, it is not easy thing to have the courage to take the risk that will be faced in the business. In doing business, we can start by becoming a reseller of a product from a beauty brand. Then, pursue and make the business or business that with a pioneer really short business. The need for segmentation and target market that we are going to, so that the business that is run can generate maximum profit. Okay, point 2 is commodity to be exported. Okay, next is commodity to be exported. The commodity that I choose to export is shrimp. This is because the opportunities for developing Indonesia marine and fisheries business still have a good prospect. And also because Indonesia has a vast maritime sector that is well developed, so that it can help the country to achieve its economic, social and political goals. The types of shrimp that are leading export from Indonesia are the Fanami shrimp and Lithoperos fanami and the tiger prawn. Okay, point 4 is the superiority and competitiveness of the selected commodity. Okay, next is the superiority and competitiveness of the selected commodity. A shrimp commodity currently in the international market. It is proven that shrimp is the number one commodity Indonesia. Export commodities in the non-oil gas commodity category. by contributing much as to $620 million. In addition, the volume of Indonesia shrimp export. Okay, I'm Muhammad Minhajul Qawim. Thank you and see you again. Wabillahi taufik walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.